Hi everybody, my name is Maggie. I'm one of the interpretive guides here at the Lake Louise Ski Resort and Summer Gondola. And today I'm going to be telling you all exactly why we see so much bear activity here at the Lake Louise Ski Resort in the summer months. In the summer, the Lake Louise Ski Resort is one of the best places in the Rockies to try and see grizzly bears in their natural habitat. The Lake Louise Ski Resort's terrain is not only considered world-class for skiers, boarders, and snowshoers, grizzly bears would consider it to be world-class terrain too. Our wide groomers melt into beautiful meadows in the summer full of flowers and berries and ground squirrels, creating essentially an all-you-can-eat buffet. These sunny meadows are broken up with dense patches of trees for grizzlies to duck in and out of when seeking shelter. Alpine springs on the mountain provide easy access to fresh water, and our location within the Whitehorn Wildlife Corridor means that this paradise sees minimal human activity in the summer months. July and August are peak times for bear activity on the hill, making this the perfect time to come and try your hand at spotting some of our local bears from a safe distance.